Hi there, I'm Margaret from DEDELLSCAKES. I want to share with you how I decorate my cakes. Sometimes you might feel, oh, I want to decorate a gorgeous cake. And then something comes to your mind, but I don't have all the tools or I just don't know how. I'm going to show you how to use fondant dots to achieve a gorgeous cake. This cake, I use dots all around to achieve this gorgeous look. So without wasting time, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's gather our tools. Let's go. You'll need a cake covered with fondant and also an extra fondant, 3 plastic bags, ball tip fondant tool, fondant cutting tool, a measuring tape, tailor's pin, water, a teacup, paintbrush, work surface, a chair you might need to sit. To decorate the cake board, use the remaining red fondant to cover the rim of the cake board to make it beautiful. Roll the red fondant flat and use the base of your cake board to check the size. If it's okay, place the pan on the roll fondant, trace and cut out. Roll 3 strings with fondant, large, medium, and small sizes. Cut each string into pieces, roll them in the palm of your hands to make dots, and keep them in 3 separate plastic bags and set aside. Use the measuring tape to measure and mark about 3 inches around the base of the cake. At each 3-point mark, measure 2.5 inches up and mark with the tailor's pin. You should have 7 columns. Let's assemble. Select the first column from the 3-point marks and work from the base upwards. Remove the tailor's pin from the base. Take the ball tip fondant tool and press it gently but firm enough to make a little dent on the surface of the fondant. Dip, don't soak, the paintbrush in water, dab at the indent and attach the first largest fondant dot onto the cake. Next, use the ball tip fondant tool to make a second indent between the first fondant dot and the second tailor's pin. Attach the first medium fondant dot onto the cake. Next, remove the tailor's pin on that column. Use the ball tip fondant tool to make the third indent. Dip, don't soak, the paintbrush in water and dab at the indent and attach the first smallest fondant dot onto the cake. Continue to complete the remaining 6 columns. Congratulations. And there you have it, a gorgeous cake. But before we go, I've got a project for you. Design a cake with dots and share it. I would love to see what you've come up with. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. If you have comments, also do share them. If you love the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe so that you'll be the first to see our other videos. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you again every Friday at the same time. Until then, take care and bye-bye.